Hello friends, so in this video, I'll show you how to host your website in Firebase for free. So let's get started. Okay, first let me show my website. Okay, this is the F1 blog website. It's just a demo website. And this is the website's folder. Okay, now open a browser and type Firebase. Click on this link and get started. Add project. So this will be F1 blog. Continue, default account, create project. Continue. Now our project has been created. Just click on this web. Now enter project name. Okay, now click on register app. For this video, we don't need this, so just click on next. Now we need to install Firebase tools, so just copy this one and then enter cmd. Let me increase this font size. Paste. Okay, now copy the path of your website's folder and paste it as cd space paste it. Now after that, click on next. Firebase login, copy this one and paste here. After that, click on Firebase initialize and paste it here. Okay, are you ready to proceed? Yes. Now we need this one, hosting config files of Firebase hosting. Just use your arrow keys and click on space and enter. Use an existing project, enter. Now you need to move this cursor to your app name, just click on enter. What do you want to use your public directory as? Okay, just move to your project directory, create a new folder and name it as public, and after that move all this directory to a public folder. Now click on enter. Configure single page app. Yes, it's a single page app. Set up bottom pools and deposit GitHub. No, don't override. Okay, initialization complete. Now last one, just copy this and paste it. Firebase deploy. Deploy complete. Okay, just copy this URL and paste it in your browser. Okay, this is my website, which is now hosted by Firebase. Let me change it to dark mode. Okay, you can see the differences. Okay, that's all for this video, and thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe.